Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to find the constellation Orion in our night sky. Okay, so that's this one right here. In this particular map, it shows it a little bit later at night. I've set my Stellarium to just after 9 o'clock at night, thinking that maybe you'll still be awake and I'll still be awake. But so when we're looking at it, we're going to be looking to the southwest, in the southwest sky. I use an app called Stellarium. I know it doesn't work on iPads, but there's many apps that do. All right, so figure out where you would have to be standing in your yard to be facing directly south, okay? And then point your other arm to west, and then right in the middle is southwest, okay? So turn your body to the southwest, and if you look up into the sky, not all the way up over your head, but about halfway between right above your head, which is called your zenith, and the tree line, you'll see these three stars right here. And those are the three stars of Orion's belt. This is a shoulder, and then a foot and a foot, or a knee and a knee, depending upon the picture that you see. What I want you to pay particular attention to is the color of this star right here. This one's named Betelgeuse, and you'll notice you don't even need binoculars or a telescope for this. You'll notice that that star is reddish in color, and that's because this star, which happens to be massive, is a red supergiant. So the next step after red supergiant is a supernova, right? The cool thing is that this star is over 700 light years away. And so the reality is that it very possibly could have gone supernova already. And we wouldn't know it. Like if it happened right now, we would know it in like 750 years because it's so far away. Isn't that cool? I'll connect the lines for you so you can see the figure that they said looked like a hunter. You can kind of see it. And then we can fill in the picture if we're really cheating here. And this particular picture, you'll find different pictures that that show, you know, the artist representation of some of these constellations. But he's got a club here, and he looks like he's got some kind of a cat there. But some of these are kind of difficult to find, and I'll show you why. If you look like right up here, right here, what do you see right here? What does this look like? Oh, it's a crab. Those are a little bit more difficult to find. But we are going to concentrate on the real easy ones first. So locate that one, and I will make another video sometime soon to look for the next couple, which will be Gemini and Cassiopeia. Okay.